Okay, so with this lecture, we'll look at dividing with polynomials. First, we'll look at the long division process without polynomials, and then compare that to dividing with polynomials. So first, we're looking to divide 3,983 by 26. So what we'll do is take the 26, place it on the outside, put the 3,983 on the inside of our long division process. Then we ask ourselves, how many times does 26 go into 3? That's no times, but 26 goes into 39 one time. Take that 1 times 26 is 26. Do our subtraction. 39 minus 26 will give me 13. Bring down 8. So then you ask yourself, how many times does 26 go into 138? That'll be 5 times. 5 times 26 is 130. Do your subtraction. That'll be 8. Bring down 3. So how many times does 26 go into 83? That'll be 3 times. 3 times 26 is 78. 83 minus 78 is 5. So 5 will be our remainder. And we will write our answer as 153 and 5 over 26. And we take that 26 that we were dividing by originally, place that under our remainder. So looking at polynomials, we're going to follow the same process. Here we want to divide x squared plus 10x plus 21 by x plus 3. Just like we did at 26, we take the x plus 3, place it on the outside. X squared plus 10x plus 21, place it on the inside. Now we're only going to compare the first terms of each. We ask ourselves, how many times does x go into x squared? Or you can look at it like this, x squared divided by x. It's just x. So we place that as the first part of our quotient, our answer. Then we take this and multiply it to each term that's sitting on the outside. So x times x plus 3 will be x squared plus x plus 3. X squared plus x 3x, excuse me. Then we're going to subtract them just like we did in the long division process. And don't forget to subtract both terms. So that'll be x squared minus x squared, which will cancel out. Then 10x minus 3x, which will give me 7x. Bring down to 21. Then you ask yourself, how many times does x go into 7x? And that'll be 7 times. Then we take the 7, place it up top, and then multiply it times each term sitting on the outside. So 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract them both. They both cancel, leaving us with a remainder of 0. And that will be our answer. X plus 7 will be our final answer. All right, so let's look at one more. Here we're going to divide 4 minus 5x minus x squared plus 6x cubed by 3x minus 2. So when we go to set up our long division process, make sure you write your answer, your problem in descending order. So notice here, 6x cubed minus x squared minus 5x plus 4. Just remember that whatever term is positive, make sure it stays positive. Whatever is negative stays negative. Then once again, we compare the first terms in each. Compare the 3x and the 6x cubed. You ask yourself, how many times does 3x go into 6x cubed? And that will be 2x squared. Take the 2x squared, place it up top, multiply to each term on the outside. That'll give me 6x cubed minus 4x squared. Do your subtraction. And be careful here. 6x cubed will cancel, but negative to negative turns positive. So now you have negative x squared plus 4x squared, which will give you 3x squared. Bring down minus 5x. So then you ask yourself, how many times does 3x go into 3x squared? That'll be x times. Or what times 3x will give me 3x squared, which will be x. So we found out it's x. I should have placed that up here. Take the x, multiply to each term. On the outside, that'll be 3x squared minus 2x. Do your subtraction. 3x squares will cancel. Negative to negative turns positive. So it's negative 5x plus 2x, which would be a negative 3x. Then comparing first terms of each once again. How many times does 3x go into negative 3x? That'll be a negative 1. Place that up here. That negative 1 times each one of the terms on the outside. So that'll be a negative 3x plus 2. Do your subtraction. That'll be a negative 3x will cancel. This negative will turn this 2 negative. So that's 4 minus 2, which will give us a remainder of 2. And then our final answer will be 2x squared plus x minus 1 plus this 2, which was our remainder, over what we were dividing by, 3x minus 2. And that will be our final answer. And that is dividing by polynomials, or dividing with polynomials.